welcome back to Home Time XYZ. It's Natasha. Hope you're having a great day. Thanks for dropping by. And today's we're gonna make keto pumpkin muffin. I found the recipe. So last night we did just a regular pumpkin muffin. So those were for the kids. They loved it. They ate it. And now something for me and my husband, of course, or whoever else in the house eat keto, and for you as well. So hope you're enjoying your fall. So let's make this. It's my first time. So let's see how it comes out. Okay, everyone, so the muffins are finished and they look fantastic and they smell fantastic. So we're just gonna wait for them to cool and then we can open them out. They're a little bit hot now. So yes, because maybe peeling them off. Yeah, so let's wait for them to cool down and then we can open them and see, but they look fantastic. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, everyone, so the muffins are finished. I tasted, they're fantastic. This is my little piece right here. And they are keto, so everyone should try them. Let me know what you think. Thank you for coming by today. Happy fall. Have a great day. God bless you. Bye.